Hello, welcome to a new vlog.
Day 2.
So now we are right behind the apartment and we are going to again JR Nara railway station.
What Nara?
Sorry, JR. We have
No.
been to Nara since.
Yes. So the schedule today. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning,
We are at Osaka
and yeah, we are at Osaka. Today we are going to Kyoto.
so the first place we'll go to is Fushiminari.
No, that's not the first place.
So
Right now we are at Shinimamiya. From Shinimamiya we take a train to Osaka. From Osaka we take a train to Kyoto. From Kyoto we take another train to Saga Arashiyama. Arashiyama is that same place where you have those bamboo forest. So from bamboo forest we then go to Fushiminari, and then from Fushiminari we will go to Gion area. So this is the tentative plan.
this journey.
Gion area, it's a very calm, it's a very nice place. I mean, even I don't know. I'll also be going there for the first time. So this is the tentative plan that we have as of now. Yeah. So currently at Shinimamiya, and we are now going to the train station and taking a train to Kyoto. We'll get back once when we get down at Saga Arashiyama. Okay, I'm going to give you a tip in terms of how to, use the train system in Osaka. We just made some amount of a mess right now. We took a wrong train. Right now we are at Tennoji. So from see, I'll tell you how to read this. Can you read this? Rapid 1-8715 JR number. So this train on platform number 18. So can you see the arrow pointing towards 18? That's going to number. We don't have to go to number. We have to go to Kyoto. So look at the second one. Limited Express Haruka 2 720 Kyoto. This is a direct train to Kyoto, so we don't have an interchange. So we will directly reach Kyoto around, I think, 8:02, and then from Kyoto we then take another train to Saga Arashiyama. So this is, what we could understand. People out here are super helpful. We actually got on the wrong train. What happened? Acha, people out here are super helpful. We got on a wrong train, and the train conductor or the driver, I don't know who was he.
Tell about that guy.
Yeah, exactly.
He's so
He actually
So
came.
kind.
So he was
He
actually.
came to us and told us that it is a slow train and it will take 2 hours. And we had to go there a little early. And he specially came and told us that the train will
Yeah,
take
so
2
he
hours.
actually left his duty. He actually came from another coach. Came to us. Actually, oh yeah, I think he was a driver, right?
He was a driver.
Yeah, he was actually the driver. So he actually, stopped the train on which station were we? Shinimamiya.
Shinimamiya.
No, Tennoji, yeah, sorry, at Tennoji. So from Shinimamiya, we actually got on a wrong train. It wasn't the wrong train, but that train was a slow train. And instead of a regular half an hour, 40-minute drive to Kyoto, that train was taking almost 2 hours. He actually stopped the train, came down from his cabin, came to us and told us that this is a slow train. In spite of the fact that he could not speak English properly, he just kind of got the chart to us, and he then came out of the coach, pointed out to the right direction where we should be coming. So that's where we are right now at Tennoji station, and I just showed you the indicator. We are now taking our next train to Kyoto, and we do not have to interchange. So this is how you kind of drive or ride trains in Japan.
This is a special Hello Kitty train. Just look around. Look at the seats, look at the walls. I should have also shown you what was on the exterior of the train at the walls, because this train is so cute. If you ever come to Japan, do sit on such trains.
And Kanak, did you see those 3 young kids going alone?
Yeah, so people in Japan are so kind. Children as young as like 4 to 5 year old, they go to school alone. So they wear a yellow color cap so that people give them first preference to sit on the trains, or they help them to find their way. People in Japan are so kind. If you want to learn humanity, you should really come to Japan. So we just got down at Saga Arashiyama and we are walking towards Kimono Forest.
From Kimono Forest, we'll then go to
Bamboo Grove.
Bamboo Grove. And after that, we will go to Fushimi Inari.
That's the orange.
Yeah,
one.
those orange story gates. And then we'll see.
Look at the houses, look at the streets. Like these houses are so cute. Such small and cute houses. I would love to stay in these houses.
You want to stay in these houses?
Yeah, I want to try.
No, Khanak, I don't think this is a house. But I think whatever it is, I think it's very cute.
This completely reminds me of Doraemon and anime.
Doraemon.
No.
All right.
Nobita used to.
Hey, look at this, look at this, look at this. Wow, this is so pretty. I mean, it's eventually a drain, but
The normal streets in Japan are.
wow, look at this,
worthy
look at this,
taking
look at this.
pictures of.
Absolutely, look at this.
What you see here is the kimono forest. Now, why is this called kimono forest? I was not aware of. But if you look at these patterns and designs, they are usually made on kimono, that is traditional Japanese dress. There are so many kimono designs in these cylinders. That's why I think it's called kimono forest. But whatever this is so colorful. While we are walking to the bamboo grove, we just came across to this garden. I don't know what is it exactly. It's a kind of garden, but whatever it is so beautiful. Are these cherry blossoms? These are not
No,
cherry
these are not
blossoms.
cherry blossoms.
We were hoping to find cherry blossoms as well, but now the season is over, unfortunately. We again stumbled upon a garden, and when I read about it outside, it is said to be a United Nations World Heritage Center. And no doubt that this is such a beautiful piece of attraction out here.
So we really don't know what is the name of this. I think while we are walking towards the bamboo grove, we kind of just came across this and we thought we'll kind of come in. I think it says Kojinji Temple. I have no idea. So I think it's all shut here. But yeah, I mean, something very different. We thought we'll probably explore. So can you see this? The path of bamboo. I think just a short walk from here, we should be in that bamboo grove forest. Yeah, this should be the Khanak. This is like the cow gully of Kyoto.
We are finally at the bamboo grove, and come on, let's check further. And this is a place that you will inevitably see in the postcards.
So all
The camera you might see is very bright, but it's actually a very dark place. It's very beautiful.
So in all the postcards of Japan, I think this is one place that will surely see. When you come back from Arashiyama Bamboo Grove to the station, this is where you will cross by. This is the bridge, and over the bridge, alright, see, I'll just show you. Over the bridge, you will see this river. I don't know the name of the river. Honestly, this place is way more beautiful than the actual bamboo grove.
So we are now at Saga Arashiyama JR railway station. Now we will go to Kyoto, and from Kyoto we will go to Inari station. So at Inari we will be visiting the Orange Gates. As soon as we came out of the Fushimi Minari station, we saw the beginning of the Orange Gates. This is a very visited, this is one of the most visited sites in Japan.
This is the Fushimi Inari Shrine, and as what Khanak said, one of the most visited areas of Japan. And in most of the postcards of Japan, this is another important spot that you will see. We will just go up there, but looking at the crowd, we are quite disheartened. Let's see what happens once when we go up there.
We are now at the Orange Gates. What you see this is a fox. So this temple is dedicated to a goddess, and this fox protects the walls of these orange tombs.
So basically, this fox is nothing but like a gatekeeper, and apparently, the belief is Inari is a goddess. She's the goddess which fulfills all your wishes. And Khanak, what are these gates, beta?
So they are made by the common people. So if someone has a wish and if their wish gets fulfilled, they make these pillars and they write their name.
Yeah,
like this.
see, the names are inscribed in those pillars. Khanak, you also want to put in a pillar and get your name inscribed?
How will I do that? And I don't even have a wish. Look around, it's so beautiful. Even though it's very crowded, but
It's super crowded. This is, I think, 12:30 in the afternoon.
you should try coming here at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. It's going to be a beautiful place. Even though it's extremely crowded, but it's still fun. We'll try going up as far as we could so that we can get a more empty view. We were just wandering around Kyoto and we stumbled across this garden. I don't know what the name of the garden is, but it's such a beautiful place. There is also a shrine inside this garden.
So Kyoto is actually, pretty well known for such spotless shrines, or rather areas. We were actually walking towards the Philosopher's Path. We will show that to you in a while. And while we were just walking, I think we just kind of crossed this. So we thought we'll probably even explore. Look, this is like insanely beautiful.
Imagine when cherry blossoms will be
Oh,
there,
yeah.
it will be so beautiful.
You know, we just missed cherry blossom season, barely by a few days. But had there been cherry blossoms around, this place would have been out of this world for sure.
So now we are in Gion, that is again in Kyoto, and with a lot of difficulty we managed to find a vegetarian restaurant which only had 2 or 3 veg options. Like if you look at this menu, this was all they had. Like there were things but all of them were non-veg. Only 2 of these were veg and this had egg. So practically only this was vegetarian. So we ordered konjac ramen and this was what we got along, and we bought this along with kimchi. Kimchi is some kind of topping. So seems very hot. Let's try it.
हाँ वो तो हम छोड़ देंगे.
Sorry. Give me a-
Arey, what do these guys say in Japanese? Ikidikimasu, nahi kya?
Japanese, I don't. For cheers?
Yeah, I mean when you're about to begin your meal, huh?
That I don't know. Something for
It's
Amir.
very hot.
This smells better now with the chili paste. It's very, very, very hot.
How is this, Khanak?
It's nice. I think we added too much chili sauce.
You added too much of chili sauce.
Tastes good.
It's
With
good.
chili sauce.
All right.
Yeah, it's
Okay. But this is practically water,
This is
And
supposed to be
noodles.
bland.
water and noodles, and with some, I think, lettuce
Big
and.
chunks.
This is supposed to be bland.
Which is why it's tasting better.
Okay.
Green
So
ho gaya bhai.
we are walking around the Gion area, and look at it. It's such a vibrant and a colorful place. This reminds me of Istiklal Street in Istanbul.
You're comparing this to Istiklal Street.
Why?
All right. So this is the Gion area. We are walking towards the Yasaka Jinja Shrine. I'm not sure on the name. And yeah, I mean it's quite colorful. It's pretty vibrant, as what Khanak said.
We had plans to go to Yamatuji temple.
What Yanakuji temple? Kuch bhi. We had a plan to go to Yasaka. I don't know. Some Yasaka Dori. No, not Yasaka Dori. I don't know. Some temple in Gion. But we had to cancel our plans due to rains. So this is the end of day 2 at Kyoto. Tomorrow we would be exploring Osaka.
Yeah.
See you
We
tomorrow.
are going to explore the city life of Osaka.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye.